Are you missing out on $400 per month because you haven't heard of Axie Infinity yet? Yup, you heard that right. You could be making $400 or more per month just for playing a crypto game. And it's not one of those it's a waste of time kind of game videos that other people are making. I'll go over what it's about, why it's the real deal, and how you can get started. This is a step-by-step guide for everything you need to know about making passive income on Axie Infinity. Now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. This will be a 3-part video tutorial because there's simply too much to cover in one video, so please stay tuned. In today's video, we'll talk about how to get started with Axie Infinity and learn about the earning potential of this game. Next week, I'll discuss selecting your Axies and setting up your account, and then in the final week, I'll discuss breeding and advanced features within the game. Let's first discuss what Axie Infinity is. Axie Infinity is kind of like Pokemon. You first need to get Axies so you can make a team. Each team is comprised of 3 Axies. There are 9 different classes of Axies, each class having slightly different skills. And with these different skills, some classes are stronger or weaker against other classes. Here's my Axie team. I bought these Axies a few months ago and really had no clue what I was doing, but at least you won't make the same mistake as me because I'm going to show you where you can find some important information later that'll help you make good decisions when you purchase Axies. So what can you do with your Axie team? Well, the developers have some exciting plans coming in the future, but for right now, you can play Adventure Mode and Arena. In Adventure Mode, you use your Axie team to fight monsters. If you survive the encounter with the monsters, you earn SLP. The farther you make it in the Adventure Mode, the harder the encounters become, and the more SLP you earn. I will talk about SLP in just a moment. You can also battle in Arena with the team that you just purchased. Each win earns you SLP. In this game mode, you face off against other people who own Axies. To win, you need to strategize and use your Axie's strengths to overcome your enemy. What is this SLP I was talking about? Well, SLP stands for Smooth Love Potion, and at the time of making this video, each SLP is worth about 13 cents. SLP is considered like the lifeblood of the game because players need to use SLP to breed Axies, which is a more advanced mechanic of the game that you don't need to worry about for gameplay. But it's important that you understand that SLP has value and that is a way to make money in the game. Let's look at what a casual day of playing Axie Infinity looks like. Well, for starters, you need to pay attention to this energy meter at the top left. This tells you how many encounters you can play in Adventure and Arena mode. Every few hours, you get awarded an extra 5 energy to play more matches. If you complete 5 Arena matches and 10 Adventure mode matches, you get a bonus 50 SLP that you can claim here. Also note that for every Arena match you play and every Adventure mode match you play, you get awarded extra SLP as well. So today I played for about 40 minutes. Let's add up how much SLP I earned today. In Arena, I won 5 matches at 7 SLP per win. That's 35 SLP. In Adventure mode, I played 10 of the easiest levels, so I only earned about 15 SLP. Remember, you can play harder levels for more SLP. And I won the daily quest bonus of 50 SLP. In total, I earned 100 SLP. Keep in mind, I'm low rank in Arena, so I only earn around 7 SLP per win. But if you're much higher rank, you earn a lot more SLP. Also, I play the easiest levels in the Adventure mode, and that actually doesn't earn as much SLP as you could earn if you were playing the more challenging Adventure mode levels. So after playing for about 40 minutes, I earned 100 SLP, which is about $13. This is incredible, and as you keep earning more SLP, you can keep selling that SLP for crypto, or you could save up your SLP and use it to breed Axies, which we'll go over in another video later on. And what I love so much about this game is that there's people in less developed countries that are now playing Axie Infinity to help put food on the table and help pay for their rent, and some of them it's really helped them through the pandemic by having a little extra earned income. Check out the link in the description below. There's an amazing documentary that was made on Axie Infinity for people in the Philippines that it really helped their community and really helped these people survive when they were going through tough times. If you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like and turn notifications on so you can get notified when I make more content like this. Also, be aware in the comments down below, sometimes there are some scammy people down there. I will never message you or ask you for crypto, so do not fall for any of these scams. I don't want any of you guys to be negatively impacted by what's going on in the comments down below in my videos. So thank you so much for staying with me and learning about Axie. I will see you next week where we select our Axies and set up our account. All right, have a good one.